guys, Rory here, back in Rustic Cook, and we're at Holy Chucks. So a while ago we just did a food challenge with my brother Tristan, and so now I'm just going to do a little quick review of their signature burger, and it's called the Holy Chucks burger. So there you go, you can see it's got some caramelized onion, 2 patties, some cheese. What else in there? I guess I don't know the ketchup here, but obviously no mayo, any of those standard stuff on there. But alright, let's dig in. I mean, I like the fries, different presentation. I like it too as well. See how it looks. Alright, here goes that one. You know what? I like it. It's tender, juicy. Something different. It's light. Looking at it, you'd assume it's heavy. You know what I mean? But I would say it's pretty light for the price. Can't go wrong too. I think it was like what, $14.99? Yeah. It's not your standard burger where you get your tomato, lettuce, ketchup, mayo. This is, like I said, this is their signature burger, right? So the Holy Chuck. So for what it is, can't complain, man. I think it's pretty good, pretty tasty.
How's the seasoning on the fries?
The seasoning on the fries is good. You know what? It's not too salty, because you know some places it can be salty, can be greasy and all.
Yeah.
I think it's just perfect, man.
Okay.
Because I mean, even the grease-wise, I don't really see it like pretty crispy. Even the time that from we ordered it to now, it's still warm, not cold. Nothing is cold. Everything is good.
You get saucy fingers though.
I mean,
When you dip in, you get the saucy fingers. They're short, right?
I mean, that's how you know it's juicy, right? That's how you know it's good. Because I mean, put it this way: if it ain't greasy, you ain't messy after, did you really enjoy the burger? Come on now. It's one of those things, you know what I mean? It's not a knife and fork setting, you know? So. The fries different. Like hot sauce says, short, curly fries. It's a burger, so if you're somebody who likes tomato, lettuce, all that other stuff on there, they got it on the menu. But this one particular here is called the Holy Chuck burger. First time doing a food review, and I think it's pretty good. No complaints. But no, I recommend it. I like it. The bun's nice and soft. Pause. But oh, look at that, falling apart already. Juicy. Everything's good, man. The burger patty is seasoned well. They ask if you how you want it, medium well, rare, however you like your meat. Pause. With this, I went medium well. Was it? Yeah, I think it was medium well. I mean, that's for me, right? That's how I eat my steak. So, I mean, you guys have the options. Not like when you go to Burger King, you're gonna get it one way, right? Sometimes it's burnt, overdone. But yeah, man, I recommend Holy Chucks. Alright, so I would say for the burger out of 10. For what it is, because like I said, I like tomatoes, pickles, lettuce, all that. But for what it is, I'll give it an 8. A good 8.5. Max 8.5 out of 10. Fries. 7.5. Nothing special. It's different. Like I said, it's not greasy, but I mean it's fries, right? It's hard to really mess them up unless they're burnt or soggy, undercooked, too salty. But I think when it comes to fries, they're good, enjoyable.
Right.
Yeah. They got some parsley. I think like some seasoning.
Yeah.
Some stuff like that. Let's see. Trying to jazz it up, you know, something different.
Yeah.
But it's, you know, different from your typical fast food, McDonald's, Wendy's, all that, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. When it comes to the fries, I mean, for me, it's McDonald's. To me, McDonald's number one fries. Yeah, exactly. So, like I said, for what it is, it's not bad, man. It's edible, it's good, it's different, looks good. But overall, the meal, I give it a solid 9, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be cool, man. I give it a solid 9 out of 10.
Remember guys, please like, share and subscribe, and also I'd love to say thank you guys to the Holy Chucks crew. They showed us love, support and hospitality, and please guys, go over there, over by Vaughan location, Holy Chucks Burger, and